Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set a minimum purchase quantity for a particular product in your Shopify store. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I am using Nex Minimum Order Quantity MOQ app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Configure button from the product limits. Now first thing you have to give is a proper title so that role will be easily available or can be identified from the list of role. So let's say like set a minimum purchase quantity for a product as the title. And make sure that the role is enabled and land on product tab and go with the product minimum quantity. Let's say the product minimum quantity as 6 and you can just select the product. You can either select 2, 3 or as your wish. I'm just planning to select only one for now. So I'm just added the product. So this product has to be purchased at least 6 so that in order to proceed with the checkout. Otherwise, checkout will be showing an error and users won't be able to complete the purchase. And in case of the error message, you can either go for a customized one or otherwise you can just have the default one. So if you are planning to go with the customized one, just enable this button and go or add that default message in this text area. Otherwise, keep it disabled. There will be the default error message showing up in the checkout page. And if you want to show this error message within the cart itself, then just enable this button, otherwise keep it disabled. The error message will be available in the checkout then. And if you have multiple rules to be applied, then click on add new item and add those rules set up over here. I'm just planning to give only one rule for now, so I'm just removing this. So I have added all the details and I'm saving it. Now the rule has been created. Now let's test this up in our online store. So let's try to check out this product. So this product is having only 3. So since we need 3 more products, we checkout page is showing the error message like this. Now let's try to increase the number. So I have 8 in number now. So let's try to check out. See, you can see that the error message has been removed. So that's how you can just add or set up a minimum order quantity for a particular product in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.